The Chinook, or King Salmon, is the largest of the salmon species. Due to overfishing in the first half of the 20th century, king salmon fishing is now heavily regulated in Alaska. Today, Captains John Beath and John Mills are out in search of these royal fish.
You know, they're just not on the bite. We just got to wait it out and wait for the bite to happen.
Deep in remote southeast Alaska, there lies a fishing paradise like no other.
Big fish.
Alaska's fishing paradise.
If you took bananas on a boat, sometimes they had poisonous spiders and snakes, and it could be devastating if you got those poisonous insects or reptiles on board your boat, because if you got bit, you'd die. So no bananas on a boat.
No bananas on the boat. That makes